What's going on, guys? Today we have a little video about oil change. So I'm gonna change the oil. It's already in the way, dripping out of the motor. And this is the oil I'm gonna use. This is the oil that you're supposed to use. I don't know. I guess, 'cause that's what came out in the computer. So, and the guy at the register, he really wanted me to get the 1040. So I was like, okay. I guess because how it's hot right here where I live. I don't know. Something like that. So I removed the bolt for the oil pan, and this is the washer. I tried taking it off, it would not come easily. So I had to buy a new one. And my grips, I'm gonna show you. So I got the oil right here dripping down. This is the oil filter that was on there. Alright. So what I want to show you is the grip, how it I don't know, is that normal? It's too much space for me. So I purchased some grips. And I got the grip glue. Got the Spider-Man grips. And I also got this filter cleaner kit. Has the oil and the cleaner. So I got this gallon of the oil, and I got the oil filter, the new one I'm gonna use. This one. Now the guy at the counter again, he really wanted me to get this one. I guess because it has this little thing on there, easier to come out. And I was like, yeah, I guess. I mean, the one, that other one, I just took it out with my hand. So, whatever. But yeah, all this cost me like 50, 60 bucks. 60, something like that. So you guys need these parts. This is the filter number right here. This is the oil right here. The GN4 4-stroke Pro Honda. I got the cement, the washer, the grips. That's about it. Check out the bike real fast. It's ready for that ride. So she is. Alright, she's probably ready for a little oil already. I'll put on the filter first, and the bolt, and the new washer, and we'll get her done. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Remember, drive safe out there.